Hello friends, I hope you're having an awesome day today. I will be sharing a layout featuring the December 2023 kits along with the 3 December 2023 cut file. First off, I'm starting with this beautiful tree from the main kit, layered on top of the red paper from the main kit, and added stitching along the edges. Next, I added this winter wreath cut file to my page. Then I use this beautiful rainbow paper from the main kit to back my winter fun cut file and set it aside. I'm using a light pad to trace the edges and then fussy cutting. It just makes it much easier to place pattern paper behind these cut files. Now I'm adding the snow globe cut file along with some stitching, then I'm ready to play. I used the Snowflake Tree metal die and cut 2 trees to add to my layout. I also used the color kit ink and stamped a snowflake that came with the main kit and fussy cut it out. I continue to embellish my page by using ephemeras from both the main kit and embellishment kit. I'm just adding a few last touches and I am done with my page. I hope I gave you some inspiration for your next project and I hope you have an awesome day. Thanks so much for watching and be sure to subscribe for more inspiration.